Hey guys, my name is Hadia and today I want to show you how to make dough. It's a summer drink that we at my house always have in our fridge along with a jar of water as well as lemonade. It's just the way it's always been, and my absolute favorite thing to drink would always be the dough, which always finish the fastest at our home. And it's just amazing because it's a bit like lassi, but where the lassi drink that's from India is sweet. Our dough is like salty because we of course put salt in it, but as well as a natural yogurt. So it's a bit tricky to find that golden middle way between the dough not to be too watery but also not too thick. So just try it out, and if it fails, try again. And don't worry, you would also have to probably try it out a couple of times before you get the right amount of salt in your dough. So just remember to taste it while you make it. You know, that's just how the best chefs do things, don't they? You have to taste it as you go. And with the cucumbers, it's honestly one of the best things. It tastes so yummy and it's just fresh, and again, you're as few as you want in it. I hope you like this. I'll see you next Tuesday. Remember to like and subscribe.